Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY, and today we are serving some major face. Yes, this episode is all about skincare, which is one of my favorite forms of self-care. Later on, we're also gonna be taking a little field trip to an exciting little facial spot here in LA where a facial first timer and a facial fiend go and get a facial together. But first, let's take a look at some of the skincare saviors that are in our August Glam Bag. First off, we have the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This is awesome because it actually has a trio of exfoliating acids that really helps to keep your skin smooth and soft. And there's actually jojoba skin polishing beads in here that, again, just really help to get those dead skin cells off. Then we have the Caudalie Vinoperfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. This is a natural brightening essence, and it actually has glycolic acid in it that helps sweep away dead skin cells off of the surface layer of the skin. It also has grape water in here, and grape water is used in a lot of Caudalie products because it hydrates, brightens, and smooths the skin. I just feel like it's like a skincare savior in its own, like a skincare saving ingredient. This is another product that I'm so excited to tell you guys about because we all need a great acne treatment in our lives. So this one is from Zapzyt. It's their acne gel. It is actually a water-based gel, so it's super lightweight. It blends in easily, and you can use it to spot correct. If you have a little friend that pops up, you can put this on, and it really does help to kill the bacteria and zap your zit away pretty much. Next up, we have a peel off mask. This is from Hey Honey. It's the Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. I actually got this in my glam bag this month, and I really have enjoyed it because it's a peel off mask, so it helps to like exfoliate the top layer of the skin and lift away impurities and just keep your pores super clean. And it only takes like 5 to 10 minutes to do, so it's basically like getting a 5 to 10 minute facial right from the comfort of your own home. So tell us what your favorite skincare product is in the comment section below, and you'll be entered to win some full sizes of some of these amazing products that we just featured. And now let's head over to Face Haus, where 2 IPSY staffers went and tested out the facial service that's revolutionizing skincare.
Hi, I'm Parker, and I'm a facial first timer.
I'm Loni, and I am a facial fiend. I am obviously 8 months pregnant, so I haven't been taking very good care of my skin recently, but in the past I used to go twice a week.
This company is very revolutionary. Being able to really focus on just the skin itself and making facials more affordable for everyone is very exciting. We like to eliminate a lot of the things that is considered luxurious in a facial by like the massage or the spa facility. So we are able to actually lower our prices and market it to a wide variety of people. This is gonna be catching on. It's fun and it's exciting. It's definitely something that, has never been done before.
I've never gotten a facial basically just because I didn't understand what it can do. I think after getting it, I definitely see the benefit of it.
It's really important to take care of your skin. The results are very obvious when you take really good care of your skin.
Well, I kind of came into this with almost no expectations. I was just in it for the ride, but even my highest expectations, this completely exceeded. It not only felt really relaxing the whole time, it was like a mini face massage. Being able to immediately see the results completely blew me away.
I think Face Haus is amazing because they make it really affordable. Part of what helps maintain the results of a facial is that you commit to it and you consistently go, whether it's 4 times a year, 1 time a month, twice a week if you're crazy like me. And when it's $65 versus $300, that's much more manageable.
My favorite part of the facial was definitely that electric wand. Being able to actually feel the currents really blew me away.
My favorite part of my Face Haus facial was these chilled globes. They're these blue icy globes, and they use it to massage and depuff, and it feels amazing. The biggest difference that I'm most excited about is from my pregnancy, I've had a lot of discoloration and pigmentation issues, and it looks so much more even.
The visual differences to my skin were immediately apparent.
Yeah, you have this like glow
Yeah.
along your cheekbones. It looks like you used a highlighter or something. It's amazing.
I love how they're making facials more accessible than ever, and my favorite thing about a facial is honestly just how clean your skin feels afterwards. I feel like it looks glowy, it's moisturized, and whenever they do extractions, you can feel that your skin is actually like flat and like doesn't have that little bump in there anymore, and that just makes me so happy inside, even though it kind of hurts, not gonna lie. But let us know what your favorite skincare luxury is in the comment section below. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.